I'm Rhys 27 years old. I'm studying adult life skills to refresh my memory on what I can learn independently, so that should I be able to move out of house, I need these skills to adjust to the new living. What I like about the course the most is the fact that I get to hang around with the friends that I do know compared to other courses. It's also the fact that it's being done at a slower pace compared to most mainstream courses. Usually it's cooking and cleaning as well as managing finances. Since it's not too far from my own home, I can be able to basically manage the time space between the coursework and my hobbies outside of the coursework. My work experience was in Market Hall Cinema beforehand, mainly to manage people going in and out of the theatre and looking after the shop with stocking up and even selling some of the items there. I'm going to be taking the Learning Action Centre courses after I leave to learn creative writing.